Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Marie-Christine Picard and today I want to tell you really nice stuff if you want to start your online business. So first of all, I want you to click on that little subscribe button and click on the bell as well so you get notification when I post a new video online, which is maybe a couple of times a week. And I'm going to provide you with some value about building an online business, having a great mindset, finding your why, and a little bit of parental life because I'm a mom of 3 as well. And I can tell you I've been in the online business for almost a year right now. And I just didn't know where to start at the beginning, and there is so many things out there that you can do, and you can just feel really overwhelmed quickly. And that's how I felt when I started. I was just like, okay, I want to do something online. I want to feel free. I want to have my time for myself, and I want to be able to make some income with that as well. And so what happened is that I was kind of fooling around, and I just want you to not do that. And I want to suggest you a really nice path that you can choose if you want to build your online business. And so let's get into it. So I've been into the Entra Institute for a couple of months right now, and I can tell you it's been a game changer because you just stop looking everywhere and searching for the right path. It's right there. You have your mentor. He's called Jeff Lerner. He's the owner of Entra Institute, and he gives so much value every day. He's not the kind of the guy who is just like promising like really nice stuff and not doing any actions. He's just really out there, guys, and you're gonna be able to see him in every platforms. And he's super energetic, and that's really helpful when you're building your online business. You can be a little bit lonely sometimes, but he's really there. And you're gonna be able to have a counselor as well, so an advisor, if I may say, maybe it's a better word. So you're going to have an advisor who's going to be able to help you on your way. So you're going to build your own strategic plan, so your own business plan, in order to have your online business to get going. And you know what? You know what's the price for that? It's going to be only $39. Isn't that awesome? So I really invite you to click on the link below. You're going to have direct access to all of that. And bonus, you're going to have a free ebook as well. So it's the fastest way to become a millionaire. Actually, it's called a millionaire shortcut. And you're going to have a lot of value in that ebook as well. So you can start by looking at that book, and you're gonna see to subscribe to Entra Nation. It's only $39, guys, so it's kind of pocket change to start your online business and become successful. And yeah, you're gonna have all the clues from Jeff to get going. So if you like that, I invite you to click on the link below. You're gonna be able to be directly linked to Jeff's videos. It's going to be different steps. You're going to see it's super easy. And yeah, so if you like that video, I invite you to click on the subscribe button and click on that little bell to get notification, and give me some comments, give me some love. I really like to have some comments and follow up with you guys. And if you have any suggestions, I'm really open as well. So I really hope you got some great value from that, and that is going to maybe change your path and stop make you look everywhere on the internet for the perfect solution, because I really deeply think that this is the solution. So get going, guys, and click on that link, and good luck with your online business. Ciao.